Chris, how are you? This is a bird school, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we have a student here. Well, the first student, Mr. Ronnie, he has the horse and the camel. And so Mr. Jay, he has a snake. And Mr. Erwin have a tiger and zebra. You know, I need you to choose one of the pictures. Can you choose? Tiger! Tiger! Majority tiger, right? Okay, they choose tiger. You win. So, first prize goes to Erwin. You got it. Yeah, you guys can be back home. Okay, so today, ladies and gentlemen, Jumbo gonna smell the words. She's gonna pick up the right words. Okay, the alphabet, according that you choose title. So we're gonna take all the degrees of putting up all the letters not in order. Okay, all jumbled up. You put it in there, separated. So Jumbo will have to think carefully and see the tiger how to pick up the right letters. That's the 5 letters to go. Yes, you can tell me that's tiger. All right, let's check it out, ladies and gentlemen. First letter, you get a T. Do you believe that? How do you do that? Because you go to school. Yeah. Okay, the second letter, I. And the third one is the G. Wow! That's 2 more letters to go. Now let me go carefully. Too much. Here we go. You got the E. And ladies and gentlemen, the final one. Final one. One last letter to go. He got the R. Yeah. Tiger. He got it. T-R-G-E-R. Very good. Well done. That's great. Very intelligent. So you have another test? What test is that?